In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for note-taking. Whether you're capturing meeting takeaways, lecture highlights, or ideas on the fly, ClickUp Docs give you a simple, flexible space to keep everything organized. Let's walk through it together so you can start taking clean, searchable notes right away. First, open ClickUp and head to Docs. You'll find Docs in the left sidebar. This takes you to a central hub where all your documents live. If you prefer to keep notes tied to a specific team, project, or class, you can also create a doc inside a space or a folder. Doing it that way keeps related notes grouped together, which makes them easier to find later. Now, create a new document. Click the plus icon labeled New Doc. Give your document a clear, descriptive title that matches what you're capturing, like meeting notes or lecture notes. A good title makes searching fast and keeps your workspace tidy. If you take notes regularly, consider using a consistent naming pattern, such as including the date or topic in the title, so everything stays chronological and clear. With your doc open, click inside and start typing your notes. Keep things structured from the start. Use headings to break your document into clear sections. Think main topics, agenda items, or lecture modules. Headings make your notes easy to scan and help you jump to the right spot quickly. Use bullet points to capture ideas, talking points, and key quotes without writing full paragraphs. They're great for quick thoughts or discussion summaries. When you need a sequence, like steps to follow or priorities, switch to a numbered list. This helps you track order and avoid confusion later. If you need to organize details, insert a table. Tables are perfect for side-by-side comparisons, timelines, or tracking items like decisions and owners. When you have tasks embedded in your notes, add a checklist. It turns your notes into action immediately and helps you stay accountable. And if a visual will help you remember or explain something, add an image, like a whiteboard snapshot, a diagram, or a slide. These elements bring your notes to life and make them more useful after the meeting or class ends. As you type, keep your sections concise and consistent. Separate topics with clear headings, use bullets for brevity, and rely on numbered lists when order matters. The goal is to make your notes readable now and reliable later. And that's how you use ClickUp for note-taking. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.